Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the flame transition effect. And this is what I mean by flame transition effect. You'd see the example here where there's a transition of the subject to a different subject with fire. So all you have to do do this is to go to this website called higgsfield.ai. So once you're on the website, you can sign in or create an account if you do not have one, and then click on visual effects and choose the flame transition effect here. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually see the type of design you would be expecting for yours. So click on generate and you'll be taken to a page where you can actually create a you can upload your picture from in this area and input your prompts in this section. So after inputting your prompts, you can choose the type of model you want to use for that particular effect. Although I would advise you just leave it as it is, because the models that have been assigned to uh, the effects are actually the best ones to render that effect for your video. So after that, just you can always tweak this and modify it to what you want. You can select your resolution. This alternates between 720 and 1080p. Now the resolution differs from model to model, so you may just have to choose one that best suits you. And after that, just click on generate, and after a few minutes your video will be ready for download and it will be shown in this area here. If you've not generated anyone, it will be blank in this area, but if you have, this to be shown here, and you can proceed to download it after playing it and watching it. So that's it guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much.